I suppose it was hard. We had to wait kind of the guts of 3 months really, I suppose, with that hanging over you before you could get back into it. The fact that we had new management kind of gave it a bit of a buzz. You know, you were looking forward to getting in with new management and new backroom team. We had a shaky start down in Cork, very disappointing defeat, just didn't perform. But I think the good thing about that was we had only a week to wait to try and rectify that one. So we got to go out the following Sunday and play against Kilkenny. Thankfully we got a result there, got a good result up in Salt Hill against Galway. Obviously got defeated below in Walsh Park against Waterford, but had a good performance then against Clare when it really counted, and that was really pleasing that, you know, it was a crunch game and it was kind of the first do or die game, and we came out on the right side of it. I suppose Eamon is just he's a very intelligent man first and foremost, and I think anything he says, you know, he'd really take it on board. I think the one thing that he stressed when he came back in was that he's in as a different man now. It's a different role. When he was with us before, he was just our trainer, but now he's our manager. Obviously, you know, we'll be trying to work on different positions and putting lads in different positions in training and trying to get those runs being made from midfielders and half forward line. I think that's something that Eamon is big on, is support play. We're not going to train and say we want to score 4 goals on Sunday. We want to score as many goals as we can, and if the opportunities arise, then you take them. It's more of a focus on positioning and the way lads move, and I think that's what's creating the goals. It's a league final and we want to win some silverware. I know myself personally, I don't have a league medal. I came in a year too late. The last one in 2008, and I only joined the panel in 2009. The fact that it's tipping Kilkenny, I suppose, adds to it. The rivalry is there. But it's a great game to be involved in, but at the end of the day, we just want to get a win.